Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Garmin smartwatch pairing with Garmin Connect. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Garmin smartwatch is charged and powered on. Download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone from your device's app store. Open the Garmin Connect app once it is installed. If you do not have an account, create a new Garmin Connect account. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Next, in the app, tap on the More option in the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Garmin Devices. Tap on Add Device to start the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your specific Garmin smartwatch model. Now, on your smartwatch, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Phone or Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your smartwatch if it is not already turned on. Once Bluetooth is activated, return to the Garmin Connect app. The app should automatically search for available devices. When your smartwatch appears in the list, tap on its name to initiate pairing. Check your smartwatch for a pairing request and confirm it. If prompted, enter a verification code displayed on your smartwatch into the app. Once paired, your Garmin smartwatch will sync with the Garmin Connect app. You can now access your activity data and customize settings directly from the app. Remember to keep Bluetooth enabled on both your smartwatch and smartphone for continuous synchronization. That's it. Your Garmin smartwatch is now successfully paired with the Garmin Connect app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.